Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you guys the insert preview for what coupons we are going to be getting in our Sunday papers on March 22nd. So originally it was showing that we were going to be getting one insert. All the coupon previews that I'm seeing are showing we're going to get two inserts, but the retail me not is extremely tiny. There's only a couple coupons in there, and most of those coupons I know my region personally doesn't get. So on Sunday, I will let you guys know when I get my paper what coupons I have and what inserts my region wound up getting. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. So I am in the Florida region. So typically we don't get the hair care coupons like the Whole Blends, the Garnier. I know we probably won't get those coupons. I'm not sure what regions get what. You can purchase those coupons individually. These are the two websites that I use, the couponmarketplace.com and clip2save.com. So the coupon marketplace is where I go to buy individually clipped coupons. That's where I go to buy and stock up on, per se, the Colgate coupons we got from last week's inserts. The $2 off one toothpaste. There are some great deals going on this next week coming up, and I only bought one insert, but I need additional coupons. So instead of me spending $4 for additional newspapers to get just the one coupon that I need, I just go on the couponmarketplace.com. It costs me 15 cents per coupon and $1 to ship. It's super easy, and I get my coupons in about 2 days. I know another subscriber let me know she lives in, I think it was Kansas or Kentucky, and she got her coupons within 2 days as well. They're located over in Tampa, Florida, I believe, so that's why they're really quick. I've never had an order incorrect. I've never had coupons that I had ordered not arrive, so they're a really good website. They're not an affiliate, I don't get any money for recommending them. I just like to recommend good companies that I've used in the past. Clip2Save is a lot more expensive, and one time it took me almost 2 weeks to get my coupons. So not the best, but Clip2Save, you can buy entire inserts. So those are the two sites that I use. A lot of you guys ask me where I get my coupons. A lot of them I get on coupons.com, so I'll print them, or from the different websites, scottbrand.com, kleenex.com, places like that. And those I always list for you guys in the printable breakdowns when I'm doing my haul videos. They're also listed in the description box. So let's go ahead and dive into the insert preview. It is very short. I'm going to keep this video as brief as possible because these coupons, there's not a ton. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to get one insert. It just depends. I will let you guys know tomorrow when I have my must-do deals up and I can really break down the deals, see which ones are good and worth doing, and if I need to buy any inserts to do those deals. So if you are new, make sure you hit that notification bell so when I do post the best deals of the weeks for Walgreens and CVS, you guys don't miss out. I know a lot of people are stocking up on a bunch of household items and essentials with the coronavirus going around, trying to limit how many times they go to the store. This channel can certainly help you. A, you can stock up on a bunch of different items, and B, you can pay either a fraction of the price, or like when I shop at CVS, I never pay anything out of pocket from using their reward programs and using the Fetch Rewards app. All of my apps that I use for rebates and money back are listed in the description box with all of my referral codes as well. Shopkick is another one that I use that I get a lot of rewards back when I do my Ibotta hauls. And of course, Ibotta is the third rebate app that I use the most, and that gives you actual cash back as well. So this insert preview I'm getting from moolahsavingsmom.com. So the first one is going to be Smart Source. We are getting the Fresh product, $2 off one Airwick Essential Mist Refill, not a bad coupon there. $1 off one Arm & Hammer Spin Brush. We are getting a Bertolli pasta sauce, which I'm really excited about. That's actually our favorite pasta sauce is Bertolli. So you'll get a 75 cents off one coupon. $5 off two Clairol Age Defy Color. That's a pretty high value coupon. We are getting Diamond of California Ready to Use Nut Pie Crust. Never used that before. Drop a comment if you have. Let me know how that is. $1 off two Dole fruit ball. Sometimes we'll get some Saving Star rebates for those. It just depends. I give you all those updates on Sunday as well, along with the printable coupons. Assuming just because how slow the coupon insert is going to be, I'm assuming Sunday we're not going to get a ton of printable coupons, but you never know. We could get some really good ones. And sometimes we'll get a Nexus printable coupon, and the Nexus coupon came out last Sunday. So fingers crossed, stay tuned on my channel for that. We're getting $1 off one grown-in Idaho potatoes bag. That is definitely something good to stock up on. Potatoes last a long time if they're the potatoes that I'm thinking of. So that would be a good coupon to stock up. $1 off too for the Lucky Leaf fruit fillings and toppings. So if you combine that with the pie crust, you can make a nice little pie or something. 50 cents off to Nature Valley. They do have some deals going on at CVS and Walgreens where they're $1.99 each. Persevision, $3 off one and $7 off one for the 100 count. Those are definitely some good high value coupons. $50 off one for the Resolve carpet cleaner, the machine solution. 75 cents off one Resolve pet carpet stain. I've used those products before, but I don't have carpets in my house anymore, thank God. So I don't have to use those. $2 off one temporary Root Touch-Up. That's just a typo there. It's the Root Touch-Up hair color. And now for the Retail Me Not. I'm only showing 5 coupons. So crazy. Or actually 6 coupons with the buy 5, save 5 is what I'm assuming that means at the bottom. So we are getting a Garnier Fructis and a Garnier Whole Blends coupon. Those are definitely great coupons that you're going to want to grab if you guys get those coupons in your Retail Me Not. So what I always suggest before you buy a newspaper, what I do Sunday morning, I go to CVS, I buy my newspaper. That way additional CRTs will print on the bottom of my receipt, and I'll see if I'll get any purchase-based CRT like $6 off a $30 purchase or something like that that I can use for my haul that day. And then of course I go to the red box and print out as many CRTs as it will let me. So I always go through to check that the inserts are in there, because sometimes I've been to a newspaper manufacturer facility before and those machines go so fast, sometimes it'll miss an insert or miss something that's supposed to be going in that region. It all separates by zip codes. It was actually pretty cool when I went and toured that facility. So you may be supposed to getting a Retail Me Not, but it could have just missed. So you always want to check and make sure that the coupons you're looking for are in that newspaper before you spend $4 to buy it. We're also getting 50 cents off one for the bacon, liver must, I'm assuming that means liver mustard, and the Nice sausage, and then a Sheeta Perfect Proportions as well. So I'm probably going to pass on buying any inserts, and I'm just going to buy like probably 2 of the Garnier Fructis and 2 of the Garnier Whole Blends coupons from the couponmarketplace.com. So if you guys do have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. I'm going to try to start working on some of those videos that you guys have been asking me for, see how I can organize them and get those out to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.